How to find other names settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find other names settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and click profile information and go down until you find other names, and then just click add other name and add your nickname or anything, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. That's how to find other names on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.